Let's talk glass eggs. So glass eggs are when you take your chicken eggs and you store them in a glass of a solution that includes this pickling lime. So like a food grade pickling lime, guys. So this Mrs. Wages pickling lime is a great item or material that you can use to preserve and make your chicken eggs shelf steady for up to 2 years. So the way that you are going to do this, you would mix the pickling lime with water. So depending on the size of your jar. So a 1 quart jar would be 1 ounce of pickling lime plus the water. 1 gallon is 4 ounces. 3 gallons is 12 ounces. 5 gallons is 20 ounces. So you mix this up and let it dissolve in the water. And you want to make sure that you have enough liquid in your jar to cover your eggs by 2 inches. Once you have your solution put together, you're going to select your eggs. So these need to be eggs that have never been washed. So store-bought eggs are a no-go on this. This is for people that have chickens or get fresh eggs that have not been washed. You want to pick out your cleanest eggs. So sometimes the eggs are not very clean. Sometimes they look pristine. So you want your cleanest eggs, put them in the jar, and then fill the jar 2 inches above the last or the top egg. And then you seal it up. And that will be shelf steady up to 2 years. Some people say 1 year, or other people say up to 2 years. And they really do last a very long time, guys. And they're great for like scrambling and baking. Keep in mind, like the shell is going to slowly get thinner as the egg sits. So they're really not going to be ideal. You're not going to pull them out and make hard-boiled eggs. You're not going to pull them out and make like a delicious sunny side up egg, but they will work again for like baking and scrambled eggs. The other really cool thing about using pickling lime to create shelf-stable eggs is you can open the jar anytime you want and very carefully reach in and pull eggs out and then just seal the jar back up. So it's not like a canned item. It has a vacuum seal on it. They're just a shelf-stable egg. So there you have it. Pickling lime for the win. I hope this helps.